Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Bobby Washington, Bobby Washington Vlog. Please click subscribe and click the notification bell. I'm going to give you a quick video on how to reset your Blu-ray player because your Blu-ray player is probably like mine, is making some beep, 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 beeps. And mine was coming from that eject button on the right-hand side. It was just beeping as if there was a disc in there that was trying to come out but wouldn't come out. But there was no disc in there. It was just making that noise throughout our movie all night. It was driving me crazy. So I finally said, you know what, let me try to reset this thing. So to reset these things, you can either hold down, like I did, I held down the stop button, which is that square right there. I held down that square with my thumb. I held it down for 30 seconds. You gotta hold it for 30 seconds. And then on the screen, make sure it's turned on too, so you can see on the screen that it says reset. Once it's reset, you gotta put your Wi-Fi back in or either connect your Ethernet to the internet again. It's going to actually recalibrate your speakers if you have speakers connected. I didn't recalibrate mine this time because I can't find my recalibration tool to plug in there. So I press skip on that part. And guess what? The noise is gone. You can also reset it by actually holding down the eject button too on some Blu-ray players. These are the Samsung Blu-ray players. These are the ones that have their own built-in receivers. That means you can plug the sound of the speakers directly in the back without having a separate receiver. So if you have any one of these models, I believe they start with HT, something like that, HT 6700 or whatever. But all the HT versions, you know, and they had that 3D thing on the top right there. So if you have that and it's making that noise, that's how you fix it, okay? So please subscribe. It's your man Bobby Washington, and give a thumbs up.